Hello guys, I'm Olashmobi and welcome to my channel.
Friends, baby. And I'm as running made low so. In case you ain't know so. Yeah, you got that shooting star.
If you have been following my tech series and you're a beginner in tech who is interested in data analysis, then I think it's only just right for me to discuss what data analysis is, data analysis tools, what a data analyst does, and the differences between data analysis and data science. So, what is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusion, and support decision making. Now, the difference between data analysis and data science. It's just a tiny line that separates data analysis from data science. Data analysis focuses more on interpreting data to understand what has happened, while data science goes further to predict what might happen in the future based on the patterns in the data. Let's set an example. Imagine you work at a restaurant. For data analysis, you might want to look at the sales data for each item on the menu to see which menu sold out the most in the previous year. This helps you understand the meals your customers loved the most based on past sales. Now, for data science, you could take it a step further. You could use data science to not only analyze past sales but also predict future trends. By using advanced algorithms, you could forecast what meals might become popular in the upcoming months. To summarize it all, data science goes beyond looking at what has happened. It tries to predict what might happen next based on patterns in the data. So, what does the data analyst do? Basically, the work of a data analyst is to clean, analyze, and get meaningful insights that could help a business or organization from data. I wouldn't want to bore you with a long description into the rules, so that's pretty much sums it up.
You ain't know so. Yeah, you got that shooting star. I'm loving.
Data analysis tools for beginners. I'm going to arrange these tools according to how I learned them, which for me is the best way to learn. But then maybe when you start, you can always agree or disagree with me. Anyone? First and foremost, we have Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a vital tool for data analysts. It offers a range of functions which aids in organizing data, cleaning data, and creating visual representations like charts. And we have Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is just like a supercharged version of Microsoft Excel. It helps analysts gather, clean, and visualize data in a more advanced and interactive way. And then we have Tableau. Tableau is almost like Power BI. However, Power BI is more user-friendly for beginners than Tableau. Next on the list is MySQL. MySQL is like a smart filing cabinet for data analysts. It stores and organizes data in a way that makes it easy to find and work with. You can just think of it as a reliable system that helps analysts to manage and retrieve data efficiently. And then the next is Microsoft SQL. Microsoft SQL also performs the same function as MySQL, but I prefer MySQL over Microsoft SQL. Then the Oga Patapata at the top is Python or R. I mean Python. Let's start with Python first. Python is a powerful tool that helps you manipulate and analyze data in a flexible and efficient way. It performs various functions like cleaning data, running complex calculations, and creating visualizations with it. Last but not the least, we have R. R. I don't have much knowledge about R. I'm going to be sincere. I have minimal knowledge about R. But then, according to my research, just like Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, Microsoft SQL and MySQL, Python and R are almost the same in the sense that they both excel in handling data, but they each have their own unique features that set them apart. While Python is versatile, R is specifically tailored for statistical analysis and visualizations. Before I proceed, let me state that the best and most effective way to learn data analysis, either online or offline, is to study with projects. Having said this, the number one and for me the best site or app to study data analysis online for free is YouTube. Trust me, you will be so surprised how much you can actually learn from YouTube. There are tons of tutorials and videos that you can actually learn different concepts and techniques of data analysis. You can check out videos of data analysts like Alex the Analyst, Pavan Lawani on YouTube. Then Coursera. Before someone attacks me, Coursera is actually not free, but you can apply for financial aid. And if you're able to get the financial aid, you are going to have access to study any course on the application or site for free. However, I will pick learning on YouTube over Coursera. And this is because Coursera is more of theories, while you will find more practicals on YouTube. And while theories can be important too, you actually need practicals to learn. Lastly, we have W3 schools. I prefer W3 schools because it offers both theoretical and practical. But then, unfortunately, there's a limit to data analysis tools that you can actually learn on it. And you can just learn some Microsoft Excel functions and Python functions on it. Anyways guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in my next video.